I'm doing a second video on this lock. I ended up purchasing it again to use pretty much my family, I guess, we're joining a gym. So I found my old combination locks with the numbers on them, but one of them we lost the combination. The other one, I have the combination, but I think these are much easier locks to use, and I have my family here and they're gonna give their own opinions on it. So this is the actual lock. You want to take a look at it, son? Get an idea and opinion on it. I'm gonna open it up in 1 second. So let me show you, let me videotape the instruction, right? And you'll have it if you need to come back and look at the instructions. You can read them on my video. Okay. So pretty much the default combination is lock. When you want to change it, you turn this thing on the left, which says under here, which will tell you to allow you to change it. And then you will, once you change it to whatever combination you want, you switch it back again to this position. We'll try it out and show you. I forget the exact way, but we'll try it. Let me open it up. I think you opened up like that. Any last, you got anything to say about it? You think
I like the color of this one.
Okay, we got a color here, a good one.
Oh, so they work.
It's probably an easy way to open this. I'm just doing it this way so I don't destroy the packaging. So this is the way you open, close. This is the actual lock itself. Let me weigh it, just in case you're interested to see how heavy it is. It's got some weight to it for a lock.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Measurement wise, just to give you an idea. To complete the way it looks, you see inside there. Lock it. Total. And the most important, the space where the lock will go, that it'll cover. Almost an inch. So it'll fit on most lockers. And it's a master lock. So, son, this is the way you change the lock. So let's just give me any 4-letter word.
Tech.
What?
Tech. T-E-C-H. Tech.
All right, so let's do tech. So this is the default. Now to change it, so anyway, if you move this and you lock it, oh, wait, it has to be, can you lock it? No. All right, so it has to be on the default or the actual lock opening and closing, and it won't, because it won't let you lock it like the other master locks. I think, I don't remember, I haven't used a combination lock in a while. Turn it, now it's locked. All right, so now this is default settings. Let's change it. So I believe I will have to take my butter knife or something that you can turn. It's on the lock position. So my wife, I'm gonna turn it here. Now I can change the combination. And I'm going to make it, what did you say, tech?
Sure.
Well, let's see if we have a T up here. Okay, there it is. It doesn't have all the letters, that's why.
Yeah, I was just looking that this one's kind of lined up there.
Okay. Oh, so it's behind me. I should have went the other way. Okay. Let me do that. Do this. T-E-C-K?
Sure.
Leave it like that. Right? And then, right now it'll open and close on any combination. Because I turned this to that little star. Now, if I turn it, this becomes the combination. It's locked. Oh no, I'm sorry, it opens. Let me get it to tech, sorry. Opens. Now, if I turn, it's locked by turning that. And you can't just turn this, somebody can't come and turn it, right? No, it won't even turn. I thought you could, but no, it won't even turn. So did you understand what I did, honey?
Yes.
Okay. So you want to do it again? You got it, son? No? Okay. Pay attention, okay? So right now, the passcode is tech. So to change it, right now it's locked. To change it, it has to stay in this setting here for the lock to work normally. This is to change the combination. So now I go to tech, open and close. Once you open and close it, you can now move this. This won't move unless you have it in the unlock position, right? Okay, so now you have unlocked. Now it'll open in any combination. You can turn it, see that? You can do whatever you want, okay? So now if I set on this line, N-E-L-N, okay, remember that, and turn this becomes the new combination. So once I move one of these letters, it won't open. And you can't turn this.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Cool. I like it. We're going to get a lot of use out of it. It'll be easier to remember combinations. Make sure that you pick something that is memorable to you, but no one else would guess. I don't know, maybe the initials of your family members. I don't know, that would be... So, depending, but it doesn't have all the 26 letters in here. Or actually, I forget, I did a video before. I don't think it has all the letters, or at least in the rows, in the combinations.
Yeah, but it does say 10,000 word combination.
Yeah, it gives you combinations. It gives you, you have a lot of choices. There's a lot of letters here. Let me just turn it around so you can see all the choices you get to use. Or you can do pray. And you can just change it whenever you feel like it if you're that afraid of people stealing your towel from the locker.
Line.
Cool. So how do you like it? There was $7.88.
Oh, that's good.
Good price, right? So the link is below. Please like and subscribe. I think it's a pretty cool lock. Try it out. And the default on that one is lock.
Yeah, on all of them it's locked.
Yeah, so it's going to be lock as the default. Oh no, don't turn it yet because I don't want to forget the combination.
It's a good thing we can rewind the video.
That's true, but for now. So we're going to choose our own, but we're not going to videotape that because we don't want them to know. All right, so I hope you like and subscribe. I ordered 2, and I actually ordered it in this color. This is the color it shows you on the website. But when I ordered 2, this one came in. So I didn't choose this color.
Oh.
They just came. So the second one I ordered, the first one I ordered came like this. The second one came like this. Okay? So I don't know which one you guys are going to get. All right. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Bye.
Bye.